Simplify fully, 64a to the 16 over 27b to the 6 to the power of a minus 1/3. So this is going to involve the rules of indices. So the best thing to do in this situation is to use this rule here. And it's not often taught, this rule. So it's a over b to the minus n. That becomes b over a to the n. So what we're going to do is we're going to invert the fraction and make the power here positive. So we've got 27b to the 6 over 64a to the 15 to the power of plus 1/3. Using a to the m to the n is equal to a to the mn, and a to the 1/3 means take the cube root of a. So the cube root of 27 is 3, and then b to the 6 times 1/3 gives me b squared. 64 cube root of 64 is 4, and a to the 15 times 1/3 is going to give me a to the 5. So we've got 3b squared over 4a to the power of 5. So it just depends whether you know your rules of indices. Okay, so there's been a video to show you how to simplify using the rules of indices. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.